Are you tired of wasting money on creams and treatments for stubborn nail fungus that just keeps coming back? What if I told you there's a powerful solution that's 100% natural, incredibly affordable, and probably already in your kitchen? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple homemade remedies using bay leaves that have been used in my family for generations to eliminate nail fungus for good. To start, you'll need a blender or mixer and 15 dried bay leaves. Add the leaves to your blender and grind them into a fine powder. Once that's done, grab a clean container with a lid. Glass or plastic is fine, and pour the bay leaf powder into it. Next, add about 50 milliliters of olive oil. This can be any kind of olive oil, but it must be olive oil. Mix well, close the container, and let it rest for about 3 hours. This is your first antifungal recipe. While that's sitting, let's make the second one. Grab a pot and pour in 300 milliliters of water. Add 10 bay leaves and bring it to a boil. Let it boil for about 10 minutes, then turn off the heat. Strain the mixture using a sieve into another container. After that, add 500 milliliters of clean water and 50 milliliters of vinegar. Stir everything together and you're done. Now here's how to use these remedies. For the first recipe, the oil and bay leaf mixture, soak your fingers or toes in it for 5 minutes every day. This helps kill the fungus and prevents it from spreading from one nail to another. It's quick, effective, and super easy. I use this one regularly, and I never have any issues with nail fungus. The second recipe involves using the boiled bay leaves themselves. Don't throw them away. Take one of the warm, softened leaves and place it directly on the affected nail. Then wrap it with a piece of cloth, gauze, or even plastic wrap to hold it in place. Leave it there for 2 hours, then remove and discard the leaf. The third and final recipe uses the bay leaf oil mixture again. Each day, apply a small amount directly to the affected nail. Let it sit for 2 hours, then wipe off any excess. That's it. These 3 natural remedies work together to treat fungus on both hands and feet effectively. If you stay consistent and follow these steps daily, you'll see a huge improvement and possibly get rid of the problem completely. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another natural remedy. And if it works for you, be sure to share it with friends and family who might need it too. Thank you for watching, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of toenail fungus with baking soda and vinegar. See you in the next video.